All right, I want to do one more little simple project today, and I know this is real folk art here, folks. This is really the old-timey folk art. This is a folk art rabbit. Now, I've seen these in homes, and I'm sure many of you older people have, or maybe younger people have. I don't know that, but these usually were around 13, 14 inches long, and they were sitting on desks and stuff like that, or in living rooms a lot of times. But they were little old folk art rabbits, and all they were just thin. They weren't, there wasn't a whole lot of shape to them in such a way. But they were sitting on pedestals, just like the cranes were, and the fish was, and stuff like this. And when I saw this picture, I thought, wow, I've seen that in houses before. It'd be fun to carve this. Now, I'm not going to carve one 13, 14 inches long. I'm going to carve one about 7 inches long. I made the pattern a lot smaller, and just a little miniature thing to put in your kitchen or on a windowsill. I'm doing a lot of smaller folk art stuff, but I know that usually, you know, when you look at it, there's 14 inches long right there, or whatever it is. That's pretty good size. But what I'm going to do is this is about 7 inches long. So we're just going to carve out. This is out of 3/4 inch basswood, with your grain running, of course, this way. And this would be a lot of fun to carve and display in a little kitchen or something like that. So these are, like I said, I've seen these, and what you really do is to make it stand out, or to what it is as you can see, the feet are drawn right here. All basically it is that you bring the feet like this back, you bring the ears like this here back, where this stands out in such a way, and that's how the shape of the piece becomes. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here, and we're going to kind of, on the ears and stuff, we're going to draw sort of halfway, and the legs, something similar to this, in other words. That's about halfway down the, that's what gives the piece its shape, such a way. So, first of all, what we're going to do is, let's do the ears first, okay? So as you see, this right here comes in here like this. So what we'll do is we'll take and we'll bring this ear back, okay? There we go. So you just sort of bring that ear back like that. It's just it's not difficult carving, very simple carving. But when I saw it, I saw it. See, just like that. And then we come up underneath here, and we come here like this, where that brings that out, sort of like a relief. See, like this. Just like that. Now, this part, we'll go from both sides and bring this down, just like that. See? And we're going to bring this back a little bit more here on the ears. And kind of shape this in here. Like that. See that? Now we'll bring this back just a little bit. Do you see how we shape the ears like that? See how? And you kind of do that. Kind of bring that down there like that. And you just kind of shape the ears. See that? Take a little bit more off in here. Where it gives it the and you kind of round this off. So you kind of do it from both sides. Now, what you do here is you just come up here like this with the ear on the other side. So you sort of do this number and separate them. Ears down here like this. John, you've got the general idea how you see that? Where the ears are separated. Just like that. Now let me okay, it's the same thing here on the legs. Now, this will be your bottom leg. This down here will be your bottom leg. And you want to remove this right here. So what you need to do is make sure, now this is thin in here, so please be very, very careful. Just cut as you go along. Kind of separate. I like to kind of separate it like this. Of course, you got to be careful. Look at that, see? As we bring this back, like this. Okay. And then we'll eventually, what I'm saying is, we'll have this, bring this far enough back where we'll have this separated right here. There we go. See that? But you need to be careful because this is very, very thin in here. Okay.